Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. A gentle reminder, as always, to please like the video and subscribe to the channel, as these are both free and easy ways to support the channel. As a matter of fact, hit the like button right now. Hit the like, run up the likes button right now. Run up the likes button right now. Hit the thumbs up button for Michail Antonio right now. Right now. Reggae boy in the English Premier League on fire, guys. Michail Antonio is burning up the Premier League, guys. Burning it up. Did the watch along to the game earlier on today with West Ham versus Leicester City, right? Michail Antonio scored a brace and registered an assist in this one, guys, to give West Ham a 4-1 victory over Leicester City, right? Brilliant performance from Michail Antonio. Brilliant performance, right? I mean, obviously the player played well. You don't score 2 goals and register an assist and not play well. By the way, that's 5 goal contributions in 2 games for Michail Antonio. I know it's earlier. I know it's very early in the season. Obviously, too early, to be talking about best player in the Premier League so far. But is he the best player in the English Premier League so far since the start of the season? Yes, I know we need to relax. He's only 2 games in, and we all know Mikel has his issues where fitness is concerned. But so far, so good after round 2, Mikel could very much be in the argument for best player in the Premier, just after round 2. Seeing Michail Antonio on fire, guys. 5 goal contributions in 2 games, 3 goals and 2 assists. Registered an assist and a goal against Newcastle it was last week. This week, Michail Antonio has banged in a brace with another assist, right? 2 very good goals today, very good assists today as well, right? All right. So the first assist was very good anticipation from Michail Antonio. Very good anticipation. Sion Chu could only play a back pass, right? Because of how the press was set up. Sion Chu could only play a back pass on that particular play. Very good anticipation from Michail Antonio to bait and jump the passing channel. Sion Chu thought the back pass to the goalkeeper was on. It turned out to be a back pass from hell. Michail Antonio intercepted the pass, got on the ball, squared it centrally to his West Ham teammate to hit the back of the net. He basically put it into an open goal. Very good anticipation, very good off the ball work from Michail Antonio, right? And then the goal, right? The very first goal that Michail Antonio would have scored. Very good turn on Sion Chu. Got the ball at his feet in the box. Turned Sion Chu. Hit the far corner, right? Found the far corner of the net. The bottom right hand far corner of the net, right? Very good turn. Very good to hold off Sion Chu. That's where his strength comes into play. Very good first touch to settle the ball in the box, right? Held off Sion Chu, turned Sion Chu brilliantly. Good piece of skill. Found the bottom right corner of the net, right? And then the second goal, the cross from the right hand side of West Ham's attacking third, the cross into the box. The cross was actually played behind Michail Antonio, and Michail Antonio used one touch, guys, one touch to get the ball from behind him to in front of him. Excellent first touch, right? And then slotted it into the net. He had to stretch for it because Michail had came off his line, but no problem. Just knocked it past him, toe poked it past him into the left-hand corner, bottom corner of the net, right? 2 very good goals, 2 very good goals, and a very good assist as well. He played well throughout the entire game. Michail denied him on a couple of occasions, prior to his goal contributions. He had a shot from just outside the box, right? What a save from Michail, man. Honestly, I'm still scratching my head, wonder how Michail saved that, right? I mean, talk about a ball destined for hit the back of the net and Michail just dig it out, right? Excellent, strong, excellent save from Michail. He had to get down low. People have to see that save there, honestly, man. It was such an excellent save. Superman diving save, excellent save from Michail, right? And then he had a header too that would have pulled off a very good reaction save from Casper Michail as well earlier on in the game as well. So Michail looked like he was hell bent on denying Michail Antonio his goals today. But Michail Antonio eventually came out on top in that battle. Right, run up the likes button for reggae boy Michail Antonio and fire in the toughest, in the biggest league in the world. With these 2 goals today, Michail Antonio is what now? 49 goals in the EPL. So he came into this particular game with 47 goals for West Ham United in the English Premier League. Right? He was level. He had tied Paulo Di Canio's record because Paulo Di Canio had the record for most goals in the English Premier League for a West Ham player and 47 goals. Michail Antonio last week against Newcastle equaled that record when he registered his 47th goal in the EPL, right? In today's game, he broke it and went 2 clear. So he got his 48th and 49th goals today. So big congratulations for Michail Antonio. He has broken the record for most goals scored in the EPL by a West Ham player. Another history for Michail Antonio right there, for our reggae boy right there, right? Automatically that would make him a club legend. Automatically he's a West Ham club legend. Automatically, right? Doing what he did today, becoming West Ham's leading goal scorer in the Premier League of all time. Automatically he's a West Ham legend. Automatically. He's 1 shy, guys, 1 goal shy of that landmark half a century of goals in the English Premier League, right? So that will definitely be coming in that will soon, he will soon get that one, that will come in short order, right? So again, the headline reads, guys, Michail Antonio on fire in the EPL, guys. Trust me, man. Michail Antonio, he played very well against Newcastle, and he has done very well again today against Leicester City. Hopefully the player can stay fit and play most of the season and not have too many interruptions in his season. And he can play out the rest of the season and do very well and keep this up. And also, hopefully he can bring this form to the World Cup qualifiers for the reggae boys as well. Hopefully we'll see him in the Jamaican kit sooner rather than later, doing what he's doing in the EPL, doing it in the CONCACAF World Cup qualification round for Jamaica. So guys, again, run up the likes of Michail Antonio, man, reggae boy and fire in the EPL. So guys, stay safe, take care, and until next time.